Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some important MCQ questions for all competitive exams on the topic organs of the government. So let us begin. The first question is, which of the following is a primary function of the legislative branch? Option A, interpreting laws. Option B, enforcing laws. Option C, making laws. Or option D, educating disputes. The correct answer is option C, making laws. Moving to the next question. The upper house of the Indian Parliament is known as option A, Lok Sabha. Option B, Rajya Sabha. Option C, House of Commons. Or option D, House of Lords. The correct answer is option B, Rajya Sabha. Moving to the next question. The lower house of the United States Congress is option A, the Senate. Option B, the House of Commons. Option C, the House of Representatives. Or option D, the House of Lords. The correct answer is option C, the House of Representatives. Moving to the next question. Which body is responsible for approving the federal budget in the United States? Option A, the President. Option B, the Senate. Option C, the House of Representatives. Or option D, the Supreme Court. The correct answer is option C, the House of Representatives. Moving to the next question. How many members are there in the Rajya Sabha? Option A, 245. Option B, 250. Option C, 238. Or option D, 300. The correct answer is option A, 245. Moving to the next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the powers of the Parliament? Option A, Article 53. Option B, Article 79. Option C, Article 73. Or option D, Article 74. The correct answer is option B, Article 79. Moving to the next question. The term for members of the House of Representatives in the United States is option A, 2 years. Option B, 4 years. Option C, 6 years. Or option D, life term. The correct answer is option A, 2 years. Moving to the next question. The bicameral legislative system of Indian Parliament consists of option A, President and the Lok Sabha. Option B, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Option C, Rajya Sabha and State Legislative Assemblies. Or option D, Lok Sabha and the State Legislative Assemblies. The correct answer is option B, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Moving to the next question. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Option A, President. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Vice President. Or option D, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The correct answer is option C, Vice President. Moving to the next question. In the UK, the House of Commons consists of option A, life peers. Option B, bishops. Option C, elected representatives. Or option D, hereditary peers. The correct answer is option C, elected representatives. Moving to the next question. The head of the executive branch in a parliamentary system is typically the option A, the President. Option B, the Prime Minister. Option C, Chief Justice. Or option D, Speaker of the House? The correct answer is option B, the Prime Minister. Moving to the next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution refers to the duties of the President? Option A, Article 52. Option B, Article 56. Option C, Article 75. Or option D, Article 60. The correct answer is option D, Article 60. Moving to the next question. The United States Executive Branch is headed by the option A, Speaker. Option B, Vice President. Option C, President. Or option D, Chief Justice. The correct answer is option C, President. Moving to the next question. In a presidential system, the President is elected for a term of option A, 2 years. Option B, 4 years. Option C, 6 years. Or option D, 8 years. The correct answer is option B, 4 years. Moving to the next question. Which body assists the President of India in discharging his or her studies? Option A, Lok Sabha. Option B, Rajya Sabha. Option C, Union Council of Ministers. Or option D, Supreme Court. The correct answer is option C, Union Council of Ministers. Moving to the next question. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? Option A, Lok Sabha. Option B, President. Option C, Rajya Sabha. Or option D, Chief Justice. The correct answer is option B, President. Moving to the next question. The President of the United States is elected by option A, direct popular vote. Option B, state legislatures. Option C, electoral college. Or option D, the Senate. The correct answer is option C, electoral college. Moving to the next question. The executive branch in India includes all the following except option A, President. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Supreme Court. Or option D, Council of Ministers. The correct answer is option C, Supreme Court. Moving to the next question. Who is the Chief Executive Officer of a state in India? Option A, Chief Minister. Option B, Governor. Option C, Prime Minister. Or option D, President. The correct answer is option A, Chief Minister. Moving to the next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the executive power of the Union? Option A, Article 52. Option B, Article 53. Option C, Article 54. Or option D, Article 55. The correct answer is option B, Article 53. Moving to the next question. Which is the highest court in India? Option A, High Court. Option B, District Court. Option C, Supreme Court. Or option D, Magistrate Court. The correct answer is option C, the Supreme Court. Moving to the next question. Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court of India? Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Chief Justice. Option C, President. Or option D, Parliament. The correct answer is option C, the president. Moving to the next question. The term of office for a Supreme Court judge in India is until the age of option A 60 years, option B 62 years, option C 65 years, or option D 70 years. The correct answer is option C 65 years. Moving to the next question. In the United States, the Supreme Court is composed of how many justices? Option A 7, option B 8, option C 9, or option D 10. The correct answer is option C 9. Moving to the next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution establishes the Supreme Court? Option A Article 124, option B Article 129, option C Article 130, or option D Article 137. The correct answer is option A Article 124. Moving to the next question. The power of judicial review in India is vested in option A Parliament, option B Supreme Court, option C President, or option D Prime Minister. The correct answer is option B Supreme Court. Moving to the next question. Who is the current Chief Justice of India as of 2023? Option A A.N.V. Ramana, option B Sharad Arvind Bobde, option C Ranjan Gogoi, or option D D.Y. Chandrachud. The correct answer is option D D.Y. Chandrachud. Moving to the next question. The judiciary in India acts as the guardian of option A state laws, option B the Constitution, option C international treaties, or option D government policies. The correct answer is option B the Constitution. Moving to the next question. The Council of Public Interest Litigation (PIL) was introduced in India by option A the Parliament, option B the President, option C the Supreme Court, or option D the Prime Minister. The correct answer is option C the Supreme Court. Moving to the next question. Which of the following court in India has original, appellate and advisory jurisdiction? Option A High Court, option B District Court, option C Supreme Court, or option D Session Court. The correct answer is option C Supreme Court. Moving to the next question. The term bicameral legislature refers to a legislature that option A has one chamber, option B has two chambers, option C is elected by both the people and the state government, or option D has members from both the executive and judiciary. The correct answer is option B has two chambers. Moving to the next question. In the United Kingdom, the system of government is known as option A presidential, option B parliamentary, option C federal, or option D confederate. The correct answer is option B parliamentary. Moving to the next question. Which country has a federal system of government? Option A France, option B United Kingdom, option C India, or option D Japan. The correct answer is option C, India. Moving to the next question. The Prime Minister in a parliamentary system is usually option A, elected by the people. Option B, appointed by the judiciary. Option C, the leader of the majority party in parliament. Or option D, a member of the Supreme Court. The correct answer is option C, the leader of the majority party in parliament. Moving to the next question. Which country follows a unitary system of government? Option A, United States. Option B, Germany. Option C, India. Or option D, Japan. The correct answer is option D, Japan. Moving to the next question. The rule of law means option A, laws can be arbitrary. Option B, everyone including the government is subject to the law. Option C, only the judiciary is subject to the law. Or option D, the executive is above the law. The correct answer is option B, everyone including the government is subject to the law. Moving to the next question. Who presides over the joint sittings of the Indian Parliament? Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, President. Option C, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Or option D, Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is option C, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Moving to the next question. The impeachment process of the President of India can be initiated in option A, Lok Sabha only. Option B, Rajya Sabha only. Option C, either house of the Parliament. Or option D, the Supreme Court. The correct answer is option C, either house of the Parliament. Moving to the next question. In the United States, the power to declare war is vested in option A, the President. Option B, the Senate. Option C, the House of Representatives. Or option D, the Congress. The correct answer is option D, the Congress. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is not a feature of federalism? Option A, multiple levels of government. Option B, a written constitution. Option C, centralized decision making. Or option D, division of powers. The correct answer is option C, centralized decision making. Moving to the next question. The concept of judicial review originated in option A, United Kingdom. Option B, United States. Option C, France. Or option D, India. The correct answer is option B, United States. Moving to the next question. The advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India is covered under option A, Article 129. Option B, Article 137. Option C, Article 141. Or option D, Article 143. The correct answer is option D, Article 143. Moving to the next question. Which country has an unwritten constitution? Option A, India. Option B, United States. Option C, United Kingdom. Or option D, France. The correct answer is option C, United Kingdom. Moving to the next question. In India, the Union Budget is presented by the option A, Prime Minister. Option B, President. Option C, Finance Minister. Or option D, the Home Minister. The correct answer is option C, Finance Minister. Moving to the next question. The constitutional head of the executive of the Union is option A, Prime Minister, option B, President, option C, Chief Justice, or option D, Vice President. The correct answer is option B, President. Moving to the next question. The shadow cabinet is a feature of which system of government? Option A, presidential, option B, parliamentary, option C, federal, or option D, unitary. The correct answer is option B, parliamentary. Moving to the next question. Who is the authority to dissolve the Lok Sabha before the expiry of its term? Option A, the Prime Minister, option B, President, option C, Chief Justice, or option D, Vice President. The correct answer is option B, President. Moving to the next question. Who is the Chief Legal Advisor to the Government of India? Option A, Chief Justice of India, option B, Attorney General of India, option C, Solicitor General of India, or option D, Law Minister. The correct answer is option B, Attorney General of India. Moving to the next question. Which amendment of the Indian Constitution reduced the voting age from 21 to 18? Option A, 42nd Amendment, option B, 61st Amendment, option C, 73rd Amendment, or option D, 86th Amendment. The correct answer is option B, 61st Amendment. Moving to the next question. Which body has the power to initiate impeachment proceedings against the President of India? Option A, Lok Sabha, option B, Rajya Sabha, option C, Supreme Court, or option D, either house of the Parliament. The correct answer is option D, either house of the Parliament. Moving to the next question. Who is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha? Option A, President, option B, Vice President, option C, Prime Minister, or option D, Speaker. The correct answer is option D, Speaker. Moving to the next question. The principle of collective responsibility is a feature of option A, presidential system, option B, federal system, option C, parliamentary system, or option D, unitary system. The correct answer is option C, parliamentary system. Moving to the next question. In India, the power to amend the constitution rests with option A, President, option B, Parliament, option C, Supreme Court, or option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is option B, Parliament. Moving to the next question. The process of judicial review ensures option A, supremacy of the Parliament, option B, supremacy of the judiciary, option C, constitutionality of laws, or option D, effective functioning of the executive. The correct answer is option C, constitutionality of the laws. Moving to the next question. Who is responsible for the preparation and presentation of the Union Budget in India? Option A, Prime Minister, option B, Finance Minister, option C, President, or option D, Speaker of Lok Sabha. The correct answer is option B, Finance Minister. Moving to the next question. Which organ of the government has the power to interpret the constitution? Option A, executive. Option B, legislature. Option C, judiciary. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, judiciary. Moving to the next question. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to option A, President. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Lok Sabha. Or option D, Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is option C, Lok Sabha. Moving to the next question. The parliamentary form of government is also known as option A, cabinet government. Option B, presidential government. Option C, dual government. Or option D, federal government. The correct answer is option A, cabinet government. Moving to the next question. The Lok Sabha can be dissolved by the option A, President. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Or option D, Chief Justice. The correct answer is option A, President. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is not a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution? Option A, right to equality. Option B, right to freedom. Option C, right to property. Or option D, right against exploitation. The correct answer is option C, right to property. Moving to the next question. The principle of rule of law was advocated by option A, Karl Marx. Option B, A.V. Deci. Option C, Aristotle. Or option D, Plato. The correct answer is option B, A.V. Deci. Moving to the next question. Who can remove the Vice President of India from office? Option A, President. Option B, Parliament. Option C, Supreme Court. Or option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is option B, Parliament. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is the tenure of the members of the Rajya Sabha? Option A, 5 years. Option B, 6 years. Option C, 4 years. Option D, 3 years. The correct answer is option B, 6 years. Moving to the next question. The directive principles of state policy are option A, justiciable. Option B, non-justiciable. Option C, fundamental rights. Or option D, laws. The correct answer is option B, non-justiciable. Moving to the next question. In India, the union territories are administered by option A, governors. Option B, lieutenant governors or administrators. Option C, chief ministers. Or option D, the Prime Minister. The correct answer is option B, lieutenant governor or administrators. Moving to the next question. The concept of basic structure of the Constitution was introduced by the option A, 24th Amendment. Option B, Keshav Nanda Bharti case. Option C, Golakand case. Or option D, 44th Amendment. The correct answer is option B, Keshav Nanda Bharti case. Moving to the next question. The tenure of the Lok Sabha is option A 5 years, option B 6 years, option C 4 years, or option D 3 years. The correct answer is option A 5 years. Moving to the next question. Who is the final interpreter of the Indian Constitution? Option A Parliament, option B President, option C Supreme Court, or option D Prime Minister. The correct answer is option C Supreme Court. Moving to the next question. The President of India can proclaim emergency under Article 352 in the event of option A war, option B external aggression, option C armed rebellion, or option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. Moving to the next question. The first law officer of the Government of India is the option A Chief Justice of India, option B Attorney General of India, option C Solicitor General of India, or option D Law Minister. The correct answer is option B Attorney General of India. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like them, don't forget to comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, which is theknowledgelibrary.in. Thank you.